the edge. Feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for.
Hello friends, today we are going to review Sunwave's token mining app, which is a crypto mining app built on Ice Network blockchain. Download it from Google Play Store or by my referral link to get invitation bonus with boost in mining speed. Firstly, they have more than 100k plus downloads from Play Store in just few days of launching their project. If you want to boost your earning, you have to burn ICE tokens, which helps them to reduce supply of ICE tokens and increase in ICE tokens price. This is a good project, but I want to tell you about some cons. Then you have to decide it's a scam or legit app. Recently, they have reset all mining balance of users in order to give a chance to all users to earn SW tokens. Here you can see that firstly they reset all users mining, and then again after few hours they again reset all users mining. It's unfair to reset users mining balance twice in just for 24 hours. Also, users who burned their ICE tokens of worth more than $5 lost their booster, and some lost their ICE tokens because of glitches and bugs. They are resetting users balance in order to get more users, but they are not solving problems of users who does not able to receive OTPs in order to complete their registrations. What will be guarantee that they don't reset mining balance again in future? Or what happened to those who lost their ICE tokens? Is it not unfair to scam your own community again and again? Just in 3 days of mining balance, you gain 100k plus users just in 3 days of launching. You are fooling people by false promises and don't ready to let people know that it's your failure and technical issues by which you are resetting user mining balance again and again. Share this video as much as you can to get user mining balance back with boosters they purchase by burning ICE tokens. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.